with Lane Homes and Remodeling, and today we're in the beautiful neighborhood of Salisbury here in Richmond, Virginia. And we're in a primary bathroom that we recently completed. We completely reworked the layout of this bathroom because the previous layout just was not functioning for the clients. There was not a private water closet, which was very important to them. It lacked storage, and the shower was quite small. The new design features a new window centered on a beautiful tub, and it is next to the Mac Daddy shower, body jets, his and her shower heads, niche storage for all of their products. Everywhere you look in this bathroom, there is something beautiful to find. From the custom millwork and cabinetry to the mercury glass panel on the linen cabinet, and we created custom panels to perfectly fit around the mirrors and sconces to really elevate the space. If you're looking for a renovation company to build a relationship with, give us a call. We would love to work with you.